Welcome to Don Carinderas. Welcome to Don Carinderas Series Plus. Sabi nga ni Ma'am Regine, tuwing umuulan, masarap pang sabaw. So perfect for tonight, ang wonton noodle soup. Tara, luto tayo. So first thing we need to do is make sure that we mince our shrimp. This is about 10 to 12 pieces of shrimp. So we have here our minced shrimp. We'll add our minced pork or ground pork. Okay, so this is 1/4, more than 1/4 kilo of ground pork. We'll add 3 cloves of garlic, also minced. So with a clove of garlic, we're using 3 actually. And we have a ginger, small knob of ginger. We'll continue with our green onions. We'll add some of this later on when it's cooked. We'll also add 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. First time to use this in a dish. We'll also add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. One tablespoon of sesame street oil. We'll add cornstarch. Half a teaspoon of cornstarch. Half a teaspoon of cornstarch. Let me get my measuring spoon. Tablespoon of cornstarch. We'll add half a tablespoon of cornstarch. We'll add sugar. Freshly ground pepper. That's it. So we will prepare the rest of the ingredients later. We'll wrap this using our wonton wrappers. Super dali lang. And then we'll make the soup. We have here some wonton wrappers and we'll make some wonton. Okay, so what we'll do is, let's take out one wrapper. We'll wet the edges. Ay! Utak ka. Pwede pa ba ito? Try natin. Edges lang eh. And then, make a triangle. See, ang ganda, di ba? So muna. Let's do one more. So, wet the edges and make a triangle. Seal the edges. And then, full. O, diba? Ganda. Kasing ganda mo. We'll prepare the broth for our aromatics. Onion leeks. Garlic. Ginger. And then we'll add some water. So we'll bring this to a boil. I'll add some chicken bouillon. Once our stock is boiling, we'll add some flavor. Tablespoon of soy sauce. Make it 2. I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of patis. Now that it's boiling, we'll cook our bok choy. So we'll give this a few minutes and then we'll cook our noodles. Our bok choy is ready. We'll set it aside. Next, we'll cook our noodles. These are egg noodles. So it will be cooked in 5 minutes. It's about 5 minutes now. So our noodles are already done. 2468. 2468. Ilan kaya kong ubusin? Yung iba bukas na. Charot. And 246. We'll take out our wontons. Complete. Let's taste this. Of course, the broth first. Yummy. Yumminess. I usually buy this crunchy garlic bits. So to add more garlic flavor. Let's eat. First, we'll taste this without the spicy dip. Ay! Kulang yung tatlo, for sure. Ayan, di ako marunong mag-chopsticks. Pinin. So, natin ito. This is your perfectly splendid wonton noodle soup. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next week.